To me, this is one of the hardest Porsches out. Like, I love this body style, how small it is. I love everything about it. Like, just looking at it right here, I would cop it easily. Like, damn, look at this. 718. So this is a 4-liter flat 6. Yup. These are the best engines, I swear. Look at this body kit on it. Oh my god. Man. I mean, that's effortlessly. Come on. Let's go to some exterior videos. Wow, that's loud. Oh. And he in the water? I thought he was finna slide. Oh, there you go. Oh, that was smooth. Wow. Oh. This is probably so fun to drive. I would love to see this with modification. Like, I like this 4-liter flat 6. This is a different way they did this video. I mean, it's cool, but I like the original. Wow. Just look at this. Let's go back. I gotta take a screenshot of that. Just how beautiful this is. Wow. Those wheels, the gold wheels or bronze are always amazing. The black gloss is amazing. And the wing, that like sway neck, whatever wing. I think that's what it is. That's hard. Man, that's fun. I love the engine. Like, the engine really has a good tone. Like, damn. Perfect shifting. The upshift is like super smooth. Downshift is hella quick. If you compare this to a superhero or like a character, this is Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, or the silver one. I forgot his name, but y'all know what I mean. Wow. Oh man. That thing really revs up. I love the noise of this engine. Oh man, like this is that's the best. And the modifications I would do, like I would add a supercharger. Could you imagine supercharging this 4-liter flat six? That is a beautiful wing. Those taillights are amazing. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see a flyby. Okay, let's see. Oh, here he comes. Ooh. Oh, with the water, that looks so cool and dramatic. Man, I love this 4-liter flat six. I want to see somebody do modifications to it because that is a hell of an engine. Thank you for watching.